don't know if you can tell, but the bows, I painted a mica on them so they have a shimmer, as does the top. Can you see that sparkle? I love the bows. This soap was kind of all about simplicity. So it's in my favorite holiday scent, Holiday Berry, from Wholesale Supplies Plus. It is so expensive. It kills me, but I absolutely love this scent, and I always want some bars for me. So I make a batch every year, and I save extra bars for me. In fact, that's currently what I'm using in the shower. So with this one, this design's different from what I previously have done with this scent. And it is kind of playing on simplicity. So the top is that just simple, I coated it in mica, and then I put the bows. So, you know, this simple, elegant top. And then the inside is all white and just 2 holly berries. And I really like it. I know it's like I said, it's simple and it's not my usual, but I just love how these just stand out in the simplicity of the top. Like, just, I really like these bars. Like I said, they feel elegant to me and I really like that. So yeah, I don't know, let me know what you think about them. Like I said, there's just, I love everything about these bars. The scent, the design, the elegance, the sparkle and shimmer. It's just, I don't know. You know, certain bars speak to you, and these are just one of those I really like.